Pieli pieli imojuanti tlaskamati mia kinochimetl nineshkaki namansi kinihinisoke panito nati. Hello everyone. Thank you to those who are listening to me at this moment. How are you doing on this day? I'm just here to provide this little small quick video that I just thought about. And before I continue, I would like to address a couple things. First of all, sorry for the bad quality of the recording. I do not have any professional equipment. I am only recording from my phone, and I'm not a very good editor. And second of all, I am just trying to pass on this information for those who are seeking to learn Nahuatl or seeking to practice Nahuatl, continue their studies. And this video is here for your use, and just use it in any way that you would like. My name is Kenwell, or some of my friends know me as Marco. I am a member of the Tlachtol Tapasoli group, and I am here to pass on this video. This video in reality does not really have a concrete purpose. You can make anything you want out of it. You can use it for your own purpose. Of course not a corrupt purpose, but just for your learning, your Nahuatl learning purposes. You can either use it to practice listening Nahuatl being spoken, or you can use it to test how much Nahuatl you've learned so far regarding grammar rules and all of that. But for my little personal purpose for this video, a little small minor purpose, is that I provided a couple sentences, and these sentences contain words or ideas or concepts that somewhat complement each other, or can be used in any sort of ask a question and then respond basis. And you'll understand as I continue with this video. Before I continue, the way I'm going to do it is that I'm going to read the sentences, and I want you to practice listening to the words. Try to listen to the sounds, try to listen to the words, and try to identify those two words or those two concepts or two ideas that somewhat complement each other, or they're opposite of each other, or they both are used in certain situations in regular daily life. You'll understand as I go further. So first, I'm just gonna read them out loud, read them kind of slow, and hopefully you understand. I'm gonna read them twice. I have about 11 sentences. I'm gonna read them twice, and then once I go over all of them twice, I am going to show you the sentences written down to see if you heard correctly or incorrect, and to see what you matched up, and to see if you were able to identify those words, those key words that compose those sentences. And before I continue, once again, I am not a native speaker. I am also a student, and I'm trying my best to pronounce these words as best as I can, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully you understand. Okay, so to start, tlense nihtlatlanilik notata tlayas tlaixpiali wanechnankili ashkanayas. Tlense nihtlatlanilik notata tlayas tlaixpiali wanechnankili ashkanayas. Tlen ome nimahmahki niwitonki sampampa niwetski. Tlen ome nimahmahki niwitonki sampampa niwetski. Tlen eyi tlawel nihneki nimashishas yeka niascuateno. Tlen eyi tlawel nihneki nimashishas yeka niascuateno. Tlen nawi yalhuaya que mantineshpashaloki ya nikoshmiktoya yeka nikochtoya. Tlen nawi yalhuaya que mantineshpashaloki ya nikoshmiktoya yeka nikochtoya. Tlen makuili nimiltekitik yeka nel ni soquillo ni maltiti. Tlen makuili nimiltekitik yeka nel ni soquillo ni maltiti. Tlen chicuase nikilwi nonana nama ashnitekitis san nimosiahkawas nokalihtik. Tlen chicuase nikilwi nonana nama ashnitekitis san nimosiahkawas nokalihtik. Tlen chicome namansi nimotectoc ya nimewas. Tlen chicome namansi nimotectoc ya nimewas. Tlenchicueyi, Ashni mayana pampaya nitlacuahki, ni ixuitok. Tlenchicueyi, Ashni mayana pampaya nitlacuahki, ni ixuitok. Tlenchicnawi, Yalhuaya ni motlaloh, nama ni nehnemis. Tlenchicnawi, Yalhuaya ni motlaloh, nama ni nehnemis. Tlenmahtlaktli, nonana nechili, naman ash nitlacoas netianquisco, san nitlanamacas. Tlenmahtlaktli, nonana nechili, naman ash nitlacoas netianquisco, san nitlanamacas. Sampa. Tlenmahtlaktli, nonana nechili, naman ash nitlacoas netianquisco, san nitlanamacas. Tlenmahtlaktli onse, mostla ika youatzinco niaskaltlamaxtiloyan uan ika tiotlajka niualasnocha. Tlenmahtlaktli onse, mostla ika youatzinco niaskaltlamaxtiloyan uan ika tiotlajka niualasnocha. So those are the 11 sentences. Now I am going to demonstrate to you, show you the actual sentences written down one by one, and to see what you got correct and see what you can match. Here we go. Tlense, niktlahtlanili notata tlayas tlaixpiyali uan nechnankili ashkanayas. And as you can see, the ones that are highlighted are the ones that are somewhat the complement. And I'm not going to tell you what they mean. This is for you to figure out on your Nahuatl journey. Tlen ome, ni mahmahki, ni witonki, sampampa, ni wetski. Tlen eyi, tlawel nihneki ni mashishas, yeka ni yascuateno. Tlen nawi, yalhuaya keman tinespashaloki, ya ni kochmiktoya, yeka ni kochtoya. Tlen makuili, ni miltekitik, yeka nel nisoquillo, ni maltiti. Tlen chicuase, nikilwi nonana, nama ash nitekitis, san nimosiahkawas nokalihtik. Nikilwi nonana, nama ash nitekitis, san nimosiahkawas nokalihtik. Tlen chicome, namansi nimotectoc, ya nimewas. Tlen chicueyi, ash ni mayana pampaya nitlacuahki, ni ixuitok. Tlen chicnawi, yalhuaya ni motlaloh, nama ni nehnemis. Tlen mahtlaktli, nonana nechili, nama ash nitlacoas netianquisco, san nitlanamacas. Mahtlaktli onse, mostla ika youatzinco niaskaltlamaxtiloya uan ika tiotlajka niualasnocha. Well, there you have it. That's the video. That concludes the video. If you have any more questions, any further questions, please comment on the video below regarding anything. And once again, we are Tlachtol Tapasoli. We are a Nahuatl study group, and we aim to preserve the Nahuatl language through practicing it and learning how to have conversations in Nahuatl And if you have any questions, please do so and comment on the bottom of the video. We're here to help and we're here to provide. Thank you.